With its line of intelligent lift devices, Gorbel is the industry-leading provider of ergonomic lifting technology, featuring the electronic-powered servo-controlled G-Force and Easy Arm products. These products are a fusion of advanced technology and basic human guidance, enabling the operator to work efficiently with reduced risk of injury and product damage, while vastly increasing productivity. Its intelligence and ease of operation allow for a smooth transition into the workplace and create the versatility to be used in a broad range of applications. Increasing the pace at which an operator can perform a task will result in higher productivity. With speeds in excess of 200 feet per minute or 83 meters per minute, the G-Force travels more than 10 times faster than traditional high-speed lifting devices currently on the market, and provides a smooth, fluid movement unattainable with traditional lift assist devices. Unlike many ergonomic devices that tend to be cumbersome and can slow an operator's pace, the G-Force speed is controlled by the operator's natural movement. It is able to move as fast or as slow as the job requires. This is ideal for applications requiring high speed at some points of a cycle and slow, precise movement at other points. In an independent study conducted by the Rochester Institute of Technology's Ergonomics Department, operators using the G-Force were an average of 68% more productive in high-cycle lifting applications than other forms of lifting. Positioning a load with care and precision significantly reduces product damage. All G-Force and Easy Arm units can be equipped with float mode, an option that makes exact placement a simple task. While in float mode, the operator is able to precisely guide an object with both hands, lifting or lowering it by applying a small amount of force directly to the load. In the RIT ergonomic lifting study, operators using the G-Force were an average of 51% more productive while handling fragile loads, and were 2.5 times less likely to damage the loads than other lifting devices. Reducing workplace injuries is a concern for many employers, especially with a workforce that is aging and increasingly female. Gorbel's intelligent lift devices reduce worker fatigue and muscle strain by making the movement of heavy loads as simple as raising an arm. The RIT ergonomic lifting study revealed that workers using the G-Force expended 78% less energy in high-cycle lifting applications than those lifting manually. Also, the G-Force required almost 6 times less force to change direction of a load, saving operators from the physical strain of inertia management. The Gorbel line of intelligent lifting devices comes standard with numerous safety features to be sure that your workforce stays productive and healthy, such as anti-recoil prevention, which avoids potentially serious operator injury because it will not move or recoil with a sudden change to the load. Capacity overload protection senses that the device is loaded beyond its rated capacity and will only allow the load to be lowered and removed. The operator presence safety feature built into the handle will only allow the G-Force to function when an operator has a hand on the handle and cannot be rigged or bypassed. If no movement is sensed by the safety feature for a minute, the unit will stop until it's engaged again. In the event of power loss, the unit's fail-safe electromechanical load braking system will lock the unit in place, preventing movement until power is restored, and the e-stop button, which is easily accessible on the handle, to allow the operator to instantly shut down the system in the event of an emergency situation. Higher-end models are available with additional programmable intelligence features to expand the possibilities of their application, such as setting virtual limits to prohibit a load from going above or below a designated area, speed reduction points, which slow the lift or descent of a load within a specific zone. Great for applications handling delicate material. Several customizable inputs and outputs, which create endless possible uses for the G-Force. The external inputs and outputs can be integrated to allow for a variety of custom semi-automated features and tooling options. All Gorbel intelligent lift devices come standard with a slide handle that senses the slightest movement of an operator's arm. As the operator moves quicker or slower, the slide handle senses that motion and responds accordingly, giving you complete control of your application. The Q and IQ models of the G-Force come with the G360, an integrated collector and air swivel assembly that allows the handle of the G-Force to rotate independently of the coil cord. This prevents cords from twisting in applications where the operator is continuously rotating the handle. The G360 collector and air swivel accommodates the coil cord cable, the optional input-output module signals, and the air power for tooling. A no-charge alternative to the slide handle is a 2-button pendant control handle, which is now available exclusively for the G-Force or EasyArm. The pendant handle's control levers have infinitely variable speed control, much like the accelerator on your car. The more you push, the faster the lift device will go. The buttons on the pendant handle require less than 1 pound of force to depress, making it up to 70% easier to use than traditional pendants and reducing repetitive stress injuries of the hand and wrist. Weight may not be the only factor in making a load difficult to move. For many applications, lifting and placement of a load begins with the challenge of gripping that load with the lifting device. The G-Force is easily integrated with a variety of tooling options, or end effectors, which work with the G-Force to securely grip and lift your load. To further expand the adaptability of the Gorbel Intelligent Assist devices for your application, your Gorbel dealer has partnerships with an extensive network of tooling integrators to provide a turnkey custom G-Force solution for you. When your application requires control of an air-actuated end effector, look to Gorbel's independent line of soft-touch pneumatic control handles. The soft-touch handles are engineered for easy use, flexibility in tooling choices, and cost less than most comparable handles. We use a spool valve that requires less force to depress than traditional poppet valves. This makes the buttons on the soft-touch handles easier to press, reducing fatigue and risk of hand and wrist injuries. Gorbel's intelligent lift devices offer variety and flexibility for your application. The crane-mounted G-Force models are available with standard and advanced intelligent features and capacities of 150 to 660 pounds. Gorbel's EasyArm is an intelligent lifting device with the brains of a G-Force mounted onto the body of an articulating jib crane with 360 degrees of coverage. With capacities to 330 pounds, the EasyArm is available as both an easy-to-install freestanding or as an underhung style, which can be mounted directly to an overhead building structure or to the offset load platform of a workstation crane. Gorbel's intelligent lift devices have made a difference in application for machining, wheel handling, cutting tables, rubber and tire handling, and in industries such as semiconductor, automotive, and aerospace. Gorbel is the leader in intelligent lifting technology with a proven track record of increasing productivity, reducing product damage, and creating a safer, more ergonomic workplace. When durability, speed, and precision are needed, look to Gorbel's industry-leading line of intelligent lift devices. You'll find that Gorbel is the perfect fit.